Alright, now it's getting warmer outside, which means soup season is coming to an end. But we have one more classic to make. It's minestrone, so let's hop into it. Now, as you can imagine with a minestrone, our first step is going to be prepping a lot of vegetables. It's going to start with a classic mirepoix, so take one white onion, and we're looking for a small dice, and add this into a small bowl. Next, take 2 to 3 carrots. We're going to peel these and then slice and roughly chop. Don't worry too much about the size, as it's going to get cooked down in the soup, and put this in a separate bowl from the onions. Finally, complete the exact same process to 2 to 3 ribs of celery, and add this into the same bowl as the carrots. Our next vegetable is 2 medium zucchini, in which we're going to slice these and then quarter and add this into the same bowl as the celery and carrots. Now, if you know me, I'm a huge fan of garlic, so we're going to take 3 to 4 garlic cloves and crush into a small bowl. Alright, I know that was a lot of prep for the veg, but we've only got 2 left, and the next step is a 1/4 cup of parsley, which we're going to finely chop and set aside. Then we're going to take 5 ounces of spinach leaves in the same fashion, finely chopped. Now for tomatoes, you could prep these yourself, but I think a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes works just fine. And minestrone is known for having beans, and although I'm not the biggest fan, we need 1 can of kidney and cannellini. So can you believe there's people out there that don't use these cute little noodles in their minestrone? I'm going with a 1/2 cup, but you could definitely go with more if you wanted. The great thing about cooking minestrone is it's all done in one pot, so over medium-low heat, add some olive oil and then your onions. We're going to saute for a few minutes and make sure you season with kosher salt to get some extra flavor. Next, we're going to add in our crushed garlic, and you're going to saute this for about 30 seconds and then add in our mixture of carrots, celery, and zucchini and give it a good mix. Make sure to add plenty of kosher salt. It's going to help release some of that moisture, and you're going to cook this for between 2 to 4 minutes until things have started to soften. We're now going to add in our canned diced tomatoes, give it a stir, and then we're going to add in 4 cups of chicken stock along with 4 cups of water and bring this all to a simmer. It's at this point that we can add in our drained kidney and cannellini beans along with the rest of our ingredients being the spinach, parsley, and the pasta. Give the soup a good mix, and we're going to bring this to a light boil. In total, it'll take about 5 minutes to cook until that pasta is tender. Our last step is to add some final seasonings, including kosher salt and of course black pepper. The plating for this minestrone is about as simple as it comes, so we're just adding a couple ladlefuls to a bowl, and then for toppings, I like to add a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese and some extra parsley, and you're done. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.